The Kano State Film and Video Censorship Board has revoked the operational licenses of 8 gala entertainment centers across the state. The affected centers have been banned indefinitely as part of a broader effort to uphold Kano's cultural, religious, and moral values. The executive secretary of the board, Abba Al-Mustafa, announced the development on Wednesday in a statement. This, he said, was a move to curb the unwholesomeness practices in the entertainment sector. He emphasized that the decision was taken to sensitize the entertainment industry and ensure strict adherence to societal norms. He said, "This action reflects our commitment to ensuring that Kano's entertainment industry operates within the boundaries of our laws and moral standards." Al-Mustafa warned that any attempt to rebrand or continue operations under different names would result in legal action. The board's suspension of several Hausa drama series on YouTube and local TV stations was said to be over allegations of indecent content and lack of proper censorship clearance. Al-Mustafa clarified that the actions were not aimed at stifling creativity, but at curbing content and behaviors that undermine societal values. The board reiterated its commitment to fostering a responsible and comprehensive industry, offering dialogue, training, and support to those willing to adhere to its regulations. While this has generated mixed reactions online, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.